Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and I'm sorry I have been MIA from YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. I just decided to take a little bit time off, and since this is a time for festivities in India, I was caught up in doing all sorts of things, catching up with my family and my relatives and stuff like that. So but I was also working, so not working in the sense that I was teaching, because I still have 2 days left, 2 to 3 days left of my holidays, and then I'm going to join again as my teaching job sort of thing that I have. So right now what I have in front of you is two digital kits. They are background papers that are currently available in my shop, and right now my shop is also having a 30% off sale. So if you're interested in picking up something, sale only on digitals, sale is not on physical items. What I have here are two sets of papers. One is in the warm tone and the other is in the cool tone. So I'll tell you what warm tone and cool tone will be. So now the papers are not arranged in a certain way, like in order of their appearance. They are just randomly arranged. So this is like, you can make tags, you can make pockets, you can make you can print them at the back of your journal page or whatever. You can use them in your collages. So these are mostly in warmer tones of the color palette that we talk about. So these are mostly in pinks, browns, deep purple sort of thing. So this is the first page. Each of the set comes with 13 sheets. So you can play with ample paper. So this is another one. This is another one. I really love how this turned out. This is another one. This is another one. So how many papers did we go through? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a fifth paper. But as I said, it's not in order of accordance. You can just see for yourself. I just printed them off and then put them together in two separate bundles. So this is another one. This is a little bit darker. So you see, you have a fair mix of shades. Like if you want to go dark, you can use this. A little bit different, but you can see they are different. They are not same. And again, this one is again a little bit different. So you can back these, back your journal pages, or you can make tags with these. I have used some of the papers in a project of mine. When I'll do the when I'll show you the project that I've been working on, you'll have an idea. So this is another page. I love this shade. See, this is also is different from the one that you've seen. So the different variations to the browns also. You can see you get quite a lot of variety even in browns. This is a little bit of burgundy, maroonish kind of deep claret. This is another one. So this one is also different from another yellow that we have. If you place them side by side, you'll see this is a little bit on the brownish side. This is more on the ochre side. So you have 13 sheets. So this is the warm tone one, and then we will have a flip through of the cool tone ones. So while I show this, I'd really like to welcome all the ladies, and hopefully there are some gents watching this too, because crafting is something which doesn't know any gender, and it really helps to keep you calm, keeps your anxiety at control, and so it is quite a refreshing activity, and you get satisfaction of making something with your hands. That is very important, and it really has a kind of therapeutic role in so many people's lives. I have felt that for myself, and so I can vouch for this effect. So let's get back to this. So these are the cool toned ones, and again, these are not arranged in any particular order. This is one of the pages. So the blues are also very different, you will see for yourself. This is again a little bit darker, very rich color, and then a very mossy kind of green color. I really loved how they have turned out, and trust me, I have spent quite a lot of time on building all this. So this one and this one is again a little bit different. Why, I'll tell you. Because the background in this is a little bit vintage photo kind of color, not vintage photo, antique linen, and then this blue swirly damask sort of motif appears, and in this one it is not so, it is white, and then I have layered this this motif, and this is obviously a little bit darker than this one, so you can see for yourself. This one is more deeper background, okay, and then you have this, so it totally depends on how you want. So this one is not the other one that I do see. I'll show you the differences. See, they are different, but they are greenish, and this has a slight tint to the background, very light antique linen-y kind of shade. So this is again another of the violet sort of thing. This is a little bit darker, and if you're working on a blue themed journal, you can always use either of the blues that go with your color scheme. So this one is, again, I've put in a little bit of different layers. This one and this one is very similar. Again, this is lighter, this is darker, so you can see the difference. They are not exactly same, as I always say. So here are the 13 sheets. So each of the sets come with 13 sheets, and they are listed as warm toned background papers and cool toned background papers. So you can check them in my shop if you want. And as I said, there's a 30% of discount on all digitals in my shop, which is going to last through this month. I think so. So please visit and see if you like something, and thank you for watching. Bye. Have a great day.